There are some of the most beautiful things in Indonesia. Many people say this is the place someone comes home to when they are overseas. This is the paradise of Sumatra.
Okay.
This is West Sumatra.
Tiga, di mana kita? Dengan siapa?
Alhamdulillah booking dan tak banyak. Diorang biasa travel, jadi diorang faham sebab diorang dah kenal dengan saya kan selama ni sama saya. Walaupun geng hiking dan geng masjid diorang sebab perdana. Alhamdulillah.
Boleh saya silakan dulu. Okey. Jadi saya ingin cakap jika kalau ada lagi tri-tri akan datang atau permintaan, kita akan buat seperti ini dan follow-lah Fast Legacy Tour and Travel.
Sangat best. Siapa nak join lagi Fast Legacy, hubungilah kami. Ceria di hati.
Love you.
Bye.
Oke. Tiga, di mana kita? Bancah mana? Lampai tengah. Kasih laluan.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's fall down. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody alright to choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what
sekarang kita berada di Padang View. Selamat 40 orang daripada Fast Legacy Travel. Okey. Sekejap lagi kita baru habis sarapan dan sekejap lagi kita akan berangkat ke Pulau Mandeh. Okey, dan kita kat sana kita buat activity pulau-pulau untuk buat lawatan pulau-pulau. Sekarang kita berada di Padang View. Sarapan pagi. Cuaca hari ni alhamdulillah sangat baik. Semoga sampai tanggal baik insya-Allah. Jangan lupa pas Legacy Travel terbaik.
I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. You take a picture of us kissing in cars, it makes my day 10 times better. Yeah, playing like children and love like orange. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Cause you and I will never fade. And I can feel what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors, I'm knocking on. I'm losing
Cassandra, Cassandra.
Cassandra.
Alamak, yang kedua.
Pandan view, pandan view.
Jangan makan aja.